Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video we will be taking the doubt about the Google Cloud Arcade mail. There is a mail from the Google Cloud about your performance in the task performance. So we will be taking that doubt. If you are new to our channels, please subscribe to our channel and like the video and subscribe, share the video to those whosoever is participating in the Google Cloud Arcade program. Now, without wasting the time, now go to the update. So there is a mail from the Google Cloud Arcade platform. You can see that this is the Arcade Insider. Now just click on it. I will be clearing all the doubt about this. So here Arcade Insider Gen AI June point, no cost credit a secret. So from here whosoever got this mail, in this mail you will get to know about how much arcade point you acquired till January 1st 2024 to May 31 2024. It will not contain the your June session points. So it is just a reminder for to the student so that they can participate in the June event. So they have in this you will get the arcade point updates. Now for those whosoever is wanted to participate in the arcade program in the June arcade session, they have listed that there is a level 1. If you complete that level you will get a 1 point for that, and if you complete these 3 levels you will get the 3 levels. So the level 3 solutions are posted on our channel. Please go to the playlist story and share the playlist to those whosoever is participating on this. Now you can see that there is a trivia week 1 June 2024 solution are also posted on our channel. We will be give you the link in the description. Go to that, and there is a chance if you perform a lab of your choice to get the remaining 191 credit. If you wanted to get the 200 credits for free, please comment to this video that you want a new video for getting the 200 credits for free. I will definitely make a video for that. Now for this you can see that there are different milestones in the Google Cloud, that is premium milestone or premium plus milestone or different milestone. So you can see that there are the Google Cloud backpacks draw page. So you can see that this pack is for premium milestone and this pack for premium plus milestone. Whosoever is have reached the premium milestone or premium plus milestone, please comment to this video. So this is about this backdrop. Now you can see that Google Cloud Arcade mystery. So this is all about this mail ID. In short, I will say that from this you can get the information about your arcade points and the June 2024 arcade session. And so if you doesn't get this mail from the arcade, the setting might be off. So for become eligible to get this email, just go to your arcade skill boost profile and click on the profile at the top and go to the setting. Now from here some for the beginner, this checkbox is off. So send me the occasional product updates and announcement and offer. Please tick this checkbox to get the regular email from the arcade. If and if you doesn't get this checkbox, then you will not get the price counter mail. So it is important to tick this checkbox, and after ticking this checkbox, click on the update setting. It will reload and your setting will be updated. So now we will go to the arcade website. Now I will tell you about how you will get points. For that, if you, please subscribe the email ID to the arcade program to get the points. So there are different milestones, there's standard milestone, advanced milestone, premium milestone, or premium plus milestone. So after, if you get the 10 points, you will be stand in the standard milestone. If you get the 25 points, you will stand in the advanced milestone, and similar for the 40 and 60, you will get the premium and premium plus milestone. For if you want a video for the different swag you will get in different milestone, please comment to this video that you want a new video for this swag information. I will definitely make a video for that. And this is the June 2024 level 3 arcade. The solution of this level are uploaded on our channel. Please go through that. And level 1 we are posting the solution regularly. Please subscribe to our channel so that you get this lab solution first on the for the week 1. We have also posted the lab solution. Go through that. We will be giving the playlist link in the description. Just click on it and start your tech journey. Now if we tackle the question how to get the arcade point, so just participate in these trivia challenges and the level challenges, and click on the start button. Then you will navigate to the different window from where you have to complete this. For now you have to complete this. Start here and the arcade trivia June week 1. Once you complete it, you will be able to get the badge from your profile. So for that I have completed the arcade trivia June 2024 week 1, so I am able to get this. We are also completed the level 3 for Gen AI, so we are able to get the badge for level 3 also. So this is about how you will get the points from the arcade points from this arcade program. Just participate in these challenges and you will be get the digital badges along with the point. So this is all about that. Now going to our channel. So please subscribe to our channel for getting the regular update about the arcade program, and like and share the video to those friends whosoever is participating in the arcade program. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next video.